Coming to the real tip number 4, here's how you can take your bill from your provider. Just log into your KCB account. You have the appropriate applications for that in your Android or iOS devices. So choose it. Log into your account using your user ID and your password. And once you log in, you can see that services history and profile are there. So coming to the history tab, most of the services like KSEB, Tata Power, all those have an exact or similar ways of dealing with bills. So click on history and you can see where you can find your bill history. So for the past 2 years, you can download your bills from this tab. So this is required in your Excel sheet in the bill data category. So you can find all those information. What all charges are you paying in your bill, and which customer are you or consumer are you? Like it is one a single phase consumer. What is it connected? All data are there. Thank you.